Alright, I'm going to show you how to do ribbons. Ribbons can be done with any of our Path Easy templates. What you're going to do is you're going to stitch the entire row like we did here. And then when you get to the end, all you're going to do is shift your template. So see how I'm lined up here? All I'm going to do is scoot this down a little bit, just slightly. And then we're going to stitch back over it. So all I'm going to do is repeat the same steps I did coming across, making sure that I'm supporting that template. And it's going to give us a really cool secondary design, which I personally enjoy for baby quilts, wedding quilts, you know, any of those types of things. It's just a little bit more than just a plain Jane meander or stipple and turn. And I'm going to do one more for you, but it really does give it a really nice look. Fills in the space a little bit more for those of you who enjoy more quilting and want it to be a little bit more dense, but don't want to have to necessarily go, you know, crazy with designs and a ton of individual pieces of ruler work, like say in blocks and stuff. So I'm just back stitching here. Now I'm going to pull this out so you can see what it looks like. It works up really quick, and notice the nice ribbons you get. It's a cool, fun pattern just to, you know, give you a different look. So any of our templates will do the same thing. So you can find all these at www.cscountrystitchin.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to email us anytime. Thanks.